Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. Okay, the most important part is that we need to have our stock ROM installed on our Samsung, otherwise it won't work. You cannot have some custom ROMs or anything, you need to have the stock ROM. On our channel you can find a video how to install a stock ROM, so don't worry, you'll be able to find it. Okay, now to lock the bootloader, first we need to power off our device, so hold the power button and select power off. Okay, we also have to use our computer for it, because we need to enter some specific menu. We need to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding them we need to insert our USB-C cable that is connected into our computer. So hold both volume keys, insert cable and keep holding until the menu appears. Okay, now hold volume up and now we have a question: do you want to lock the bootloader? Click volume up to confirm. Now we need to wait a little. Okay, also we can now unplug the cable, we won't be needing it anymore. And now let's wait until our phone turns on. Okay, the phone has turned on, so we can click on start. Now we need to set it up quickly, so select your language, click on next, select that you agree. Click on skip. Next. Accept. Skip. Skip, skip, agree, next, finish. Now let's open up the settings. Okay, we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So select your network and type password. Click on connect. Okay, now go back, scroll down, click on software update and download and install. Okay, now go back, click on about phone, software information, tap on the build number until you see that you are developer, go back, developer options, and unselect the OEM unlocking. Okay, it says that we need to restart the phone to use device protection features. Okay, if you want you can also turn off the developer options right in here. And now all we need to do is to restart the phone to apply the changes. So hold the power button and click on the restart. Okay, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Now our bootloader has been successfully locked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.